Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Zapier SMS notifications. Firstly, go to Zapier and click Create Zap. Choose a trigger app and set up the trigger event and retest it to make sure it works. Click the plus icon to add an action step. In the search bar, type SMS, then select SMS by Zapier from the options. From the event drop-down, select Send SMS, then click Continue. If this is your first time using it, you'll be prompted to set up your phone number and verify it. Once connected, click Continue. In the To Number field, enter your verified phone number. In the Message field, write the message you want to receive. You can insert dynamic fields from the Trigger app. Now click Test Step to send yourself a test SMS. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap to turn it on. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.